In many Goldenpeakunity reviews, people are looking for the same mix. Strong tools, smooth performance, and support that feels real. Goldenpeakunity presents itself as a platform that brings all three together in one place. The brand starts with a clear promise. Help users take the first step with confidence. That tone matters because it makes the platform feel less intimidating. Goldenpeakunity positions trading as something that can be structured, efficient, and outcome-oriented when the right tools and guidance are in place. A big part of that story is performance. The platform highlights over 300 advanced trading tools, spreads starting from 0.0 pips, and a system built for speed, accuracy, and professional-grade execution. These details suggest a serious environment for users who want to act quickly and stay in control. Convenience also plays a major role. Goldenpeakunity says it offers more than 35 payment methods and seamless withdrawals with minimal wait times. That makes the overall experience feel smoother from start to finish. It is not only about placing trades. It is also about making account management feel simple and efficient. Goldenpeakunity also works hard to make learning part of the journey. The site explains important trading terms in plain language and frames education as an active part of progress. This makes a difference, especially for users who want to move beyond guesswork and build a more informed approach. The platform's social proof adds another positive signal. Goldenpeakunity says it is endorsed by over 3,000 users, has completed more than 1.5 million trades, and provides access to more than 3,000 active opportunities. Those points help create a sense of momentum and trust. The client comments reflect that same tone. One person says the platform made trading finally make sense. Another says they stopped guessing and started trading with a real strategy. A third says the experience felt like having a mentor close by. These are strong emotional signals because they speak to clarity, confidence, and real progress. If you are reading Goldenpeakunity reviews, Goldenpeakunity presents itself as a serious and supportive platform. It blends technology, learning, flexibility, and professional-level tools into a setup that feels built for long-term growth.